for ng Minami Residences. Flex at may minimum lot size na 80 square meters, kaya naman meron tayong provision for 2 carport. At dahil may extra lot tayo sa side, malaki ang space natin for home expansion. Included na din upon turnover ang ating sliding door na connecting sa ating side lot. Meron tayong enough space for living at dining area at meron tayong 1 toilet and bath with complete fixtures. We also have service area na pwede mong gawing laundry area or extension ng ating kitchen. Nga pa dito ang ating 3 bedroom at 1 toilet and bath. Located ito along main road ng Arnaldo Highway, General Trias, Cavite. Kaya naman very accessible ito sa malls, schools, worship area, hospitals at marami pang iba. Accessible din ito to Manila via Cavitex at malapit rin ito sa Laguna Expressway connecting the Anghari Road going to Las Piñas, Alabang, Muntinlupa at Laguna. Kaya kung interesado ka, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive live stream mo. So, bye-bye!